another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for February of 2021. Yes, I do realize it's April. However, it took until midway through March for this to finally arrive, so just saying, yeah, I'm dragging my feet a bit on getting this film, but on the other hand, it took forever to show up. My Glam Bag X also had its problems for getting here, and when I film that, we'll discuss that, but can we talk about how cute this bag is? This is so freaking cute. Sealed with a kiss bag. There was 2 varieties you could have gotten. I am so stupidly happy I got this one. This is the one I want. The back of it also looks like an envelope. Little pair of lips sealed with a kiss. It's so cute. My mom got this one too, so did my sister, so I'm thinking most people probably got this one. The other one wasn't as cute, so I'm glad we all got this one. So anyways, getting into it on the little card. Alright, February 2021, hashtag Ipsy send love. All you need is love. Ah! I didn't even know it said that. This is the first I've looked at any of it. I haven't even been in the bag yet. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. My life. Just saying. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails. You deserve it all. Then on the back, there's a Celebrate Black History Month thing for ipsy.com/black-owned brands. So that's a thing. If you're interested, visit that. I actually didn't know about that, so... Oh, it doesn't have the info on the products. It's, do these this month. Wear a pink glitter eye, just because. I did plenty of that in February, actually, without them telling me. Get lost in puppy Instagram for at least an hour. I do that daily. Buy all the candy for 50% off the day after Valentine's Day. Did they just take notes on my behavior? Spend a night mastering a really impressive nail art look, then flex hard on social media. The intention's always there, the execution, however, not so much. Finally bake that insane-looking dessert you pinned in December. Haven't done it yet, but I have some ideas. Gift yourself something on your beauty wish list by snagging a beauty deal. Well, I do that all the time. Make Zoom happy hour a thing again. Okay. Hold on just 1 second, and we will get into the stuff in the bag. Sorry, had to check the time, make sure I'm still on schedule and on track, because gotta get ready for work a little bit. So, anyways, in the bag, we have got... I'm so excited. I've got one of the Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pens, which, you know, I lose my shit for these. And knowing what these cost on Pixie's website, I am always so stoked when these turn up in Ipsy. Whenever my mom gets a color I don't have, I always do a little swapsy with her so I can get it. So, this is in the color Deep Plum, which, it must be real deep, because it's looking pretty black to me, but maybe on it'll have more purples in it. I'm hoping. But regardless, I'm still very excited to have it. Then we've got Benefit's 24-hour Brow Setter. 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. I don't know how useful that'll be to me. I mean, I'll play with it, but... yeah. I don't do a whole lot with my brows, as we can tell. So, yeah. We've got the Codage Mask Micro-Peeling Mask. That's literally how they put it. This is not me being an idiot who doesn't know how to read. So, alright. That's a thing. Cool, I guess. So, let's see here. Alright. Then we've got the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Not sure if I have a hyaluronic toner yet. Okay. That's kind of cool. Alright. Alright. I realize I didn't show the box for that guy, in case you're curious. And then finally, what's this? By a brand called This Works. This is the In Transit Camera Close-Up. Mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. Apply to clean skin, including the eye area, and massage gently until absorbed. Skin will feel slightly dewy and perfectly prepped for makeup. For adults only. Why? What happens if you put it on a kid? I don't even know. They explode. Who knows? But Anyway, so took entirely too long for this package to get here, but I was very happy when it did, and that's what I got in it. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review? What did you get in your February bag? Anything and everything, leave it all down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye.